The Labatt Online is probably the most important thing that we've done in recent years. One of the things that people in our business always say is, what are we going to do to protect the independent operator? And the simple answer is, don't overcharge them. The independent operator gets mistreated a lot. What we decided to do was create a way of approaching the independent operator to give them the benefit of the same kind of pricing that national accounts would get.
Instead of going and asking, what do you want to see done on the computer, we more ask questions as to, how do you run your business? And we study it, and then we come up with solutions from our expertise to shore them up and make it more efficient for our customers. The way we do it is we get in the restaurants, physically sometimes. One of our examples, some chefs were calling in constantly, and they would add items to their orders. So we kept saying, just open up your browser, put it in, it's very easy. But then we went out to the customers and the chefs said, honestly, Matt, when am I going to have time to go back to the office? And the manager's on it, and there's not enough time in the day to do that. So what we did was we created an iPhone and Android app so that they could do it from anywhere, from their home or running around their kitchen. They could instantly put in an order whenever they wanted.
When you do something right, it can ultimately be more successful than you ever envisioned it in the first place. What we're doing is not only churning out solutions and tactics and features and software, but rather we need to think about it as a way to explore all of the possible ideas so that we find exactly what our customers need. We grow with our customers.